Today I'm going to do one more close-up of a little hollow, this laterite hollow, which has now kind of captured my fancy. The whole thing is about this much size, some 5 inch by 5 inch, and then there's a little bit of mud in the bottom, some washed down silt and all. And when we go close to it, it's a whole ecosystem all by itself. In this one, in this particular little, it is very low down, so my camera, my photo quality and all this videography maybe suffer a bit. Now all the species names and all I can't tell you now. Let's go through the species now, how many can be found. I'm going to take a twig, this twig, and point out. First is this one, this Eriocaulan is there. No, Eriocaulan, I think it's a Euripeplan. Then there is this second species, is this pink flower. This one, that one, this. That one, this pink one. Then third is this, and each one is marvelous. If you look closely, you'll be stunned at its detailed, minute beauty of these plants. So that's the third one. Then there is this chemical plant. I have done a separate video on this one. This one manufactures some, it makes some chemical that's very important medicine for this Alzheimer and brain and all. So that is 4 species. Then there are a couple of grasses here. This one, this grass, so 5. Then this one, another species which I couldn't tell the name so far. I mean, then what else is there? And there are little insects and all that are specialized. Also some very tiny plants are there right at the bottom. I don't know if you can notice them. Very little things there. Those little, what is it? Can't even make out the shape. Then this bigger grass is there. And then there are some specialized spiders and all also living here. Very tiny creatures. We'll try to cover one. It's too small to cover. There it is. So this type of specialized little creatures live in these places, and some of them have evolved over thousands of years, millions of years to survive in this kind of specialized locations. These tiny things are so hard to capture on these videos. Unfortunately, it's not possible. So we'll have a last look at this little patch, and then I can close this session.